Hi, let's find out if you can become a airport control tower operator, right? As a non-U.S. citizen. I am Korean. I work for Korea Telecom KT, number one carrier and cloud service provider. But in with the due process, I have to retire in 3 years' time. So I'm looking for another job in my spare time, and airport control tower operator jobs came to my mind once I visited the airport air flight museum near Gimpo International Airport in Seoul. To become a flight control tower operator, air traffic controller, you will need to meet specific qualifications, complete training, and pass various exams. These typically involve a combination of education, experience, and passing tests from agencies like the FAA. Here's a general overview of the process. 1. Education and experience. Many candidates pursue a degree in a relevant field, such as aviation engineering or a related field. You may need to have a certain amount of work experience, often in progressively responsible roles. That's good expression. Often in progressively responsible roles. I don't have progressively responsible roles with KT, unfortunately. But you need to have often progressively responsible roles in your works. 2. FAA Air Traffic Skills Assessment, ETSA. You will need to pass a written aptitude test called the Air Traffic Skills Assessment, ETSA. The ETSA evaluates your skills in areas like problem solving, spatial reasoning, and aviation knowledge. 3. Medical and security clearances. You will need to pass a medical exam and a background check. 4. FAA Academy training. If you meet the requirements, you will attend the FAA Academy in Oklahoma City for mandatory training. 5. On-the-job training. Following the academy, you will undergo on-the-job training at a specific air traffic control facility. So first, you need to have a good background to become a air traffic controller. Then you go to the Oklahoma Academy, which is mandatory of attendance. Then once you are assigned to your first or new air traffic controller controlling tower, you would be put on the job training. Specific requirements often include age. Typically, you must be under a certain age. For example, 30 or 31 to be eligible. Damn, I'm 57, so I am not eligible. I hate that. But hey, I can buy air traffic control tower myself and hire you guys. Citizenship. You need to be a United States citizen. Damn, I am not. I'm Korean. Communication skills. You need to be able to speak English clearly and understand over the two-way radio equipment. You speak English clearly and understand over two-way radio equipment. Stress management. The ability to stay calm and focused under pressure is essential. Additional notes. Certification. After completing training, you will need to get certified by the FAA. Military experience. Prior experience as a military air traffic controller or in a related field can be beneficial. Application process. You will need to apply through USA Jobs the federal government's job website. Okay, so I am not eligible because I am 57 years old and I am Korean, right? Even though I can speak English and understand clearly over two-way radio, I am still not eligible, right? I have an engineering background as a mechanical engineering student, and also I've been working on the telecom side for the last 30 years. So I have an engineering background and mathematics. I like it and everything. So I'm eligible, but because of the two reasons, I am not committed. Thanks for listening and have a wonderful Sunday.